Hi guys, it's Triple C, and today we're gonna look at a mouse. This is the Cooler Master CM110 gaming mouse. This looks actually pretty nice, and it's very cost effective. All right, so let's take a look. Actually, you can't see too much like this, so let's take it out of there. But first, take a look at the box. Well, the inner layer doesn't say too much. That's odd. Usually they will maybe put some specs or something like that, but this one doesn't. But let's see what it says here. Gaming mouse with an optical sensor, ergonomic design, new durable coating, and RGB illumination. On the side, same thing. On this side, languages. And let's take a look at the back. Now it says, new coating and durability comfort, a new rocket grip provides added comfort for long battles and provides reinforcement for improved durability and longevity. That's pretty cool. And look at that. It's a hand drawing saying how comfortable it is. And what does it say? 3-zone RGB lighting, ergonomic design, and what we got here? Gaming grid, Pixar optical sensor. I don't know what Pixar optical sensor is. Supposedly a good sensor. It's good to know if it's a good sensor. And an adjustable DPI, 400, 800, 1600, 3200, and 6000. That's good enough. All right, so without further ado, let's open it. Once again, if you're buying a product here, some stores, they will have to open it first and put the warranty sticker onto the thing. So, but most of the time it's already open. Okay, so let's see. Oh, there's some stuff in the back. Okay, let's get this stuff through there. The unboxing presentation, it's pretty, I want to say cost effective, but really it's just cheap. Look at this. It's more suitable for some cookies, but who cares? Once it's open, it's all about what's inside. Oh, that's nice. Oh, is it necessary? Okay. Guess it keeps the cable in place. All right, so it's not braided cable. It does have Cooler Master logo on it, so that's nice. Oh, cool. It's purple USB port. Oh, that's nice. And that's what I'm talking about, the warranty sticker. They had to put it somewhere on the device. So here's the mouse. But before that, there's a user manual. It talks about different buttons and their functions. Okay. All right. That's a really nice picture. Oh. Okay, so here's the mouse. Let's take a look. It's pretty straightforward. Consider the price. This is not too bad. I like the matte coating. It's not quiet. I don't know if you can hear that. It's not quiet, but it has a very satisfying click to it. The wheel rolling feels all right. There's a DPI changer, forward and backward. I think these are always necessary. Should be on every single mouse. Okay, and there is no logo, but there is a shape of the Cooler Master logo that we're all familiar with. It's a really good looking mouse for the price. It doesn't actually have any anti-slip grip on the side. It doesn't have any, but it is designed in a shape that you can easily grab a hold on to it without slipping off. So that's good. It is very comfortable in the hands. It's not the smallest mouse in the world, so that's good. It's pretty decent size. That's always a good thing for me. I like a mouse with some size on them, so it's more comfortable to rest on the mouse. All right, so let's plug it in and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's got LED here, LED here, LED on the side. This looks pretty decent. Changes color. I wonder if these changes. All right, so I figured it out. Now, it doesn't require software to change the lighting. This is how you do it. There's a few different combinations. One is the, obviously the DPI itself. You'll change the color of the mouse wheel and the logo side. Okay, and then if you hold on to that, and then the forward button, it will change the color of the sign. And then if you hold on to the DPI button and the mouse wheel button, you will change the illumination style. Now like this, and then like this. This one's not bad. Give it a different color. I think that's pretty nice. All right. There should be a few other ones. I guess that's off. Rainbow color. It's good for demonstration. Oh, the pulse one's interesting. Wait for different. This is nice. That's not bad. Okay. All right, so yeah, so that's interesting actually. I like how you can adjust those different colors for the LEDs, and so yeah. So is it any good? Well, I'm looking at the screen right now. You know, I must say it is what it is. It feels very comfortable. It is very smooth. And the DPI change makes sense. Right now I found a speed that's comfortable, and then I can have it go pretty fast. Don't need that. But then what I like the most is when you have a DPI setting, everything moves much slower, so it's more precise. When a lot of times when I'm doing things like Photoshop and stuff like that, I like it to be most precise. And it does that. So that's great. And much smoother than all the other modes that I have experienced. Yeah, so I think this is pretty good for, I just checked on Amazon, about $25 US. Can't complain there. For $25, this is very good. And I always liked the Cooler Master mouse. It's just, it's been a while since I pay attention to their mouse products. Yeah, they didn't make too many. There's that other one with for the holes that's supposed to be lighter. I don't know, that one doesn't look very comfortable. And yeah, and then there's this one that's really on the budget side of things, which I'm a little bit worried on the quality, since the cost range, the price range, it's lower than what I would consider a decent gaming mouse. But I went to a store today, and they have a demo unit there, so I try it out, see how you feel. And yeah, I think it's actually pretty good for the price. There is another model that I was considering, the CM310. CM310 looks a little bit different than this. It's a little bit longer, but then I did not like on that one where the front, it has a little, I don't know, a design there. Like you can see here, there's a little bit of curve at the very tip of it. And then on 310, it's a lot more curve. It's almost like a lot of those Razer mouses. And for personal preference, I don't like that as much. As just a straightforward, flat sort of design. And this does have a little bit of curve, as you can see with different lighting. It does have a bit of curve. But this is fine enough. It's not too much. So then I don't have to feel like when I'm pressing onto the keys and it feels flat. This doesn't feel like that. This feels comfortable. So yeah, this is the Cooler Master CM110. I think it's pretty nice. And for the price, it's definitely worth it. So yeah, that'll be all for this one. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you next time.